Hello guys, welcome to my class. Today we are going to learn how to design and analyze pile foundation of a building. At first we have to know why we design pile. Okay, because of the heavy load of the structure in the combined or mat or isolated footing. The load, the foundation will not capable to hold the structure for the huge loads of the structure. But in the pile foundation you can design, you can build a 15 floor, 21 floor, you can build any kind of huge foundation. The bridge also rests on the pile foundation. Okay, so let's begin. At first open STAAD Pro and we are going to take a ready building for decreasing the time for the tutorial. You can design any building, you can design a bridge or you can design a structure, then you can design the structure. Okay, so at first we have to analyze it. For going further, analyze, okay, then analyze, save. They're going to show a warning and tell you first this is for the I have analyzed in the drawing twice, so that's the warning. That is the. If there is no error, then you have done your drawing is done. Your drawing is okay. Then click on done, and you have to design it. For that, go to foundation design, and make sure you use all support, and you have to select all the load cases. This is the available load cases, and you have to select it. And for that, we are going to click on include all. This is the selected load cases, and then go to run STAAD foundation. And basis on these load cases. Okay, so this is our columns, and we are going to design the pile foundation. Okay, at first go to load and factor. We have to generate the combination, then click on generate load combination, select load combination table. For me it is Indian, you can choose your suitable table. Okay, and we have to load combination the loads for service load combination and also for the ultimate load combination. So click on generate load combination for service load combination. See, load combination generation completed. Click on OK. Again for the ultimate load combination, click on generate load combination. Load combination completed. Okay, then close it. Okay, then click on job setup, click on plus button. Now select create a new job. Now input the data, job name, give your job name, it is pile foundation. You can give name, job type is pile cap, design code for me is Indian, default unit type is SI, and access to all support. Okay, now this is the available load cases. We are going to select the combination loads only. Click left from your mouse. Okay, now select this and click on create job. Sorry, now job is created. This is our job, pile cap job. Select pile cap job, increase it, and design. Now we have to input the data. Click on design parameters. Strength of concrete 25, you can change it to 20 or 30 as your requirements. Unit weight of concrete 25. Side cover, you can change the side cover. Okay, bottom cover you can change it to your requirements. initial thickness 30, minimum bar size 12, maximum bar size is 25. Okay, then finished. After you finished, go to pile layout, unit kilonewton, lateral is 250, vertical is 200, uplift is 250. I'm going to change it to 250. Pile 0.5 meter, let it be. Okay, then the pile arrangement type. What is pile arrangement type? If it is 3 pile or 2 pile or 5 pile, okay, you can go to the auto arrangement. The STAAD will auto arrangement the pile, and or you can go to the manual arrangement. Okay, for that click on calculate, and you see the pile arrangement 3, 4, 5, see 7 is the change the direction only. Okay, now we have to select your pile arrangement. What is your requirement? Select as your requirement. I am going to select 3 pile arrangement on this direction. Click for that, click on OK. Now see 3 selected, and now close it. After that, go to design. You don't have to keep pile layout. Okay, go to design. Yes, now our pile arrangement is complete. This is a calculation. You see section reinforcement, check for one-way shear, all the calculations are given. Design for pile cap 1. You can go to the geometry, detail and schedule drawing. For 1, this is our pile. 3 is our column, and you can see all the reinforcement here. You can see the calculation sheet. Okay, you can save the drawing to AutoCAD by save drawing as. Okay, so that's it. This is how you can design pile foundation for a building or bridge or any huge building, huge construction, huge foundation. Okay, so that's it, and thank you for watching my video.